Obviously we've put this side extension on. We tried to make it look as though it was part of the original house. So that's why it's a high level roof, you know, continuation from the existing roof. And we've, you know, done the same colour render and stone to match and stuff, so it looks as though it was always there type of thing, as opposed to like a, you know, a plant on extension. We went for the triple glazed, a lot better U value on them windows, so you retain a lot more heat as opposed to, you know, your standard ones. They also have noise technology, so that when it's raining, there's not as much noise coming through and stuff when you're watching TV and things. They're also tinted, so they've got like block the UV rays and stuff. You get a lot of sun on this side of the house, so obviously it helps with the sun coming through, stops any bleaching and stuff on the floor. But because it's a high roof window, obviously you're not really able to open them, so we put the switch on the wall. So if you want to open them in summer, we can, you know, they're all electric. You don't need to try and get a pole out to reach them. They're also like quite easy to install as opposed to other windows. Good value for money, really.
So we do have an after-sale loyalty scheme, the same as Velux. You can have a Velux account or you can have a Dakea account, and you can register the scalable rewards through our range and through their range on each account.
So it's been a great experience using the Dakea windows, and definitely recommend them to anyone wanting good quality roof windows.